how to use snap ring pliers to reassemble a motor, an electric motor. In this case, this is the heater fan motor for the 1963 Rambler American, and as you can see, it's in pretty amazing shape. This is half a century old, guys. And it's you can see, just like brand new. Brushes are fine. I just cleaned them up a little bit, and I put some grease and some oil. That'll make things nice and smooth. And this is very, very user friendly. You can see the wires that connect the motor here itself. They're very long, which allows me to put the commutator, this middle part, into the brushes, and then just simply put this on top. On some motors, it's not like that, and these things are short. And once you get them off, once this middle part and the commutator comes off the brushes there, it's a nightmare to get it back in, or sometimes just simply impossible. Now this one actually has some holes for the bolts that hold it together. Possibly they'd have some special tool, I don't know, but in this video, in this case, I've just used this thing here, snap ring pliers, designed for snap rings, those round rings that have two holes on each side and they're close together, and use this here to spread them apart and then pull them out. And I just use that to separate the brushes down there. I'm not going to be able to demonstrate it because it's really hard for you guys to see it anyways, and even harder for me to try to demonstrate it while holding the camera. So I just put this down there at the bottom of the brushes, spread them apart, put the commutator in, and let go. That's it. Simple as that. Now I just slide this back over on top here, no big deal. I put some oil on it. There's a little bit more oil there. That's it. So, and this procedure applies to any motor. So you never thought that a snap ring could be used for a electric motor for assembling brushes, huh? So I guess one of the biggest attributes you need to be a successful mechanic is to be creative, especially with these classic cars. You have to be creative and try to figure out stuff to use at hand. That's it.